I want to say thank you to you, my busy homemakers, because you inspired me. You, my friend, yes, you. I am Deb. You are in the kitchen with Deb, and I am your personal kitchen and home consultant. And today, I got a special message for you, just for you, because you inspired me. And that's what I wanted to come out here and talk to you about. During the last month, this month, October, we did the Declutter Your Worst Kitchen Cabinet. I've had so many great responses from you busy homemakers, you busy moms with the kids underfoot. You posted on your new, what your new cabinets look like, and showed me and shared how you got them organized. And I am so impressed with what you did and what we did together. I decluttered my baking cabinet in 4 different phases, and I found some stuff that I forgot all about thanks to you. And I'm glad we did the challenge together. It was so much more fun doing it together. I appreciate you and what you did for me. I got my baking cabinet done, and now I am super excited because I'm going to share with you guys first. I'm going to make a new dessert for Thanksgiving. Thanks to you guys, because we got in our cabinets. I got in my baking cabinet and got it done. And now here it goes. Remember I was talking about silicone bakeware this week? This one is a ice cream cone. What I'm going to do for Thanksgiving is I'm going to put the ice cream cones in it, and I'm going to put the cupcake on top in it, and then I've got little turkeys I want to stick in the cupcakes. Now that is what I'm thinking of making for Thanksgiving dessert. Now there's going to be other Thanksgiving desserts too, don't get me wrong. But I'm going to try this and see how this one works. I have not tried this yet. This is brand new. I took it out of the package. And I want to thank we're alert on the weather trying to patch in. Sorry about that, ladies. I'm so sorry that happens. Remember when you have silicone bakeware, we talked about it. Make sure you follow the directions in the oven. But I wanted to mention to you, I'm so grateful to you and so happy that with this challenge went off so good. And I'm excited about my Thanksgiving dessert. And I'm just as excited about doing November's challenge with you, where we're getting into our most used and least used cooking utensils. I can hardly wait. I am just so thrilled to finally get in that least used cooking utensils drawer with you by my side and us doing it all together. And let's get that done in 2 days challenge again, because we know Thanksgiving's coming up. And we've got to get our menu decided, our desserts. Like I said, I got my dessert menu already decided. It's here. Thanks to you. You guys got me in my cabinet, and we got working, and we got it done. And I have more space now. I'm less stressed. I'm just super excited, because this is going to be a new recipe for me. This is what I want to do. This is my new recipe. So super, super excited. So happy that you guys inspired me. I just want to come on and say thank you and let you know that you are appreciated. And quite honestly, in the group, I don't know if I could have done it without you guys all. And all of my friends that comment and say, hey, that's cool, and I did this, and you got me organizing this and that, and you got me doing it now. I appreciate all that. I thank you for all the DMs and everything. I just thought I wanted to come quickly on here and give you guys a quick thank you. Don't forget, November 9th and 11th, we're doing the Decluttering Your Worst Utensils least used and most used. We're going to get into both of those. And if you're like me, I know you got some of those too in your cabinet. Oh, thank you so much for the likes. I can't see who's on though. It's not telling me. I'm so sorry. Oh, Facebook. Ugh. But yes, we're going to get into the utensils because we've got Thanksgiving coming up. And you guys are really getting me inspired to get things done in my kitchen. So join the decluttering challenge in my private group, and I will see you there. Thank you, busy homemakers. Bye.